What are the best kids drone on the market today? It's a crucial question, but now we have some answers. We've reviewed the 6 honorable mentions. We compiled this list based on their price, performance, battery life, and other factors. Stay tuned until the end of the video to check out the description below for more information and the most recent prices. Ryze Tech Tello. This manages to make some of the best features of the more expensive category accessible to many more people by sitting midway between the entry-level toy drone and the lightweight photography drone. A multicolor LED that allows the drone to convey status is located at the front, near the 2 recessed 5-megapixel camera lenses. For example, it alternates red, green, and yellow during boot up, slowly blinks blue during charging, and turns solid blue when charged. Since the drone itself doubles as a charger, there is a microUSB socket next to the power button. The camera is integrated into the body and offers 5-megapixel still photos or 720p video, which is the highest resolution available in a toy. Actually, there are all kinds of flips and stunts to wow your friends along with the easy video shoots, but its instructional value is where game truly shines. In order for computer aficionados to learn programming on a phone or tablet in the most enjoyable manner possible, that even includes compatibility with Scratch, a block-based visual programming system. And because its coding capabilities, STEM educators favor the Ryze. As well as the robust airframe hasn't seen an update since 2018, but the app has received a number of software changes to keep it current. DJI Mini SE. In the strictest sense, the upgraded DJI Mavic Mini is not a toy. It's a fantastic job. It has the same fundamental parts and flight time as more expensive pro drones, making it suitable for older children with smartphones or people who haven't fully matured. It can also save 4000 by 3000 pixel JPEGs and 2.7K video on a microSD card. The results are far superior for those of other toys since the lens is stabilized. If you purchase this, you are making a significant gift purchase of a real flying camera. Even automatic trips for video selfies in orbit can be captured, so you might be helping your child's social media accounts as well. Plus, it can also take off at a maximum height of 4,000 meters and withstand gusts of up to 29 to 38 kilometers per hour. So your footage will be stable whether you are flying over an alpine forest or along a windy beach. Finally, for the DJI Fly app, which generates stunning films with only a swipe. It offers a selection of creator templates. Even amateurs with no prior knowledge in editing may make any moment a social media blockbuster. Holyton HT02. This drone will take off and hover at a specific altitude with the aid of one key start and altitude hold. It has a built-in 720p HD FPV camera with an adjustable angle that can record crystal clear video and take crisp photographs with certain motions. Even better, it can extend your perspective thanks to Wi-Fi real-time transmission. Also, there are 2 modular batteries that can increase your flying length and ensure that you have enough time to enjoy the magnificent trip. The modular battery is also considerably safer to charge and much simpler to swap. You can create free flight without anxiety about endurance. And stunts like the 3D flip, circle fly, and high-speed rotation can be accomplished by it as well. Through the app, you can create your own flight paths and the drone will follow them. So generally speaking, this drone is suitable for both expert and inexperienced pilots thanks to its high and low speed modes. Holyton HT02. This quadcopter, which is 3 different speeds and an altitude hold capability, is a very inexpensive option. This drone is made to be user-friendly as possible with security guards, a headless mode, and the option to do an emergency stop, making it more enjoyable for pilots of any age or skill level. 3 batteries are included with this, which should provide up to 24 minutes of flight time. Plus, because of the drone's modest weight and small size, you don't need to register it with any aviation authority, and it's quite simple to move. Also, despite the low price, you will receive a controller, 4 extra propellers, 2 guards, 2 USB chargers, and 3 drone batteries with this purchase. So in all, we can say that your children will receive all they require to enjoy racing their drones. Potensic T25. This is the ideal drone for those on a tight budget. It offers the best value for your money and comes with a superb camera, an easy-to-use remote, and a ton of functions. Also, it is among the best drones for beginners. This stands apart from the competition thanks to a few key design choices. It was given a 9-axis gyro, which allows it to handle severe winds with ease. Plus, it is also intelligent enough to recall where it landed. Together with its cleverly designed remote controller and a ton of other features, like several flying modes, and its return home function, this 9-axis gyro makes handling winds a snap. And at last, for the camera, it includes a clear 1080p HD Wi-Fi live camera. The image and video quality are still good at 1080p, which is superior to the 720p camera in the Snap 10 S5C. It isn't 4K like the Roku F11 Pro, but it isn't 720p either. Kidomo F02. You can be confident with this drone because it folds down to just 89 millimeters long and weighs 200 grams, which is far less than the registration threshold of 250 grams. It has a 1080p HD camera that makes it possible to take more beautiful and clearly visible aerial films and images, allowing you to share more exciting and high-definition aerial footage with your friends. Plus, the machine adds some lovely details to mimic the larger counterparts' designs. Similar to the DJI drone's assigned regular and sports modes, it has 3 flight speeds. Also, there is an altitude hold feature. A headless flying is also provided, which many novices find preferable. What's more, it has emergency stop functionality, which causes the propeller to stop rotating when it contacts a wall or other obstacle, protecting the aircraft and people from harm. Finally, for the battery life, 2 strong rechargeable batteries enable a 24-minute runtime, are safe to charge and allow for longer flight times.
Thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, then hit the like button and subscribe to our channel if you loved it. Take a moment to hit the bell icon so you'll get notified of all our new latest uploads.